Dear friends, I warmly welcome you all to join us for today's exciting new episode. Today, we are going to learn how to extract intraday and strong trades above the basis of the Ichimoku indicator. For this, we need to access LifeJar. Now here we see that we have the Ichimoku indicator applied to our MT5. From this point forward, in order to properly set up our entry, the first step we need to undertake involves carefully preparing all necessary documentation and organizing our materials efficiently. Please ensure that you select the H4 timeframe for the upcoming analysis. From this point onward, we will begin our analysis. Then we will make a concerted effort to further comprehend these aspects, examining in detail how they function and identifying the specific parameters that are required for our objectives. To capture the basis above which we can set up our entries, and from the market, we can make 200, 300, 400 points to achieve a profit of up to 100 pips. So, in light of this situation, we now clearly see and understand that we are incorporating all four elements, as we have just detailed and thoroughly discussed moments ago during our previous conversation. In the current trading period, the market tested the support level of the Ichimoku indicator, starting from this specific point. These were his first tests. We will not make any entry for ourselves. We will wait for the market. That the market does not create any confirmation for us. Only then will we make our entry when it creates confirmation. First, we will not make our entry here. We will not make our entry at this time. Instead, we will patiently wait for its retest to occur. We will wait for the retest of this zone. For example, if you look above here, first he tested the Ichimoku zone. He went up confidently and made his impressive entry there on an engulfing base. Additionally, he generously gave us the essential entry that was crucial for our progress. He retested and we bought from there, and the market gave you such a good move here. So what will you do? You will wait patiently for it to achieve 50%, which in turn allows ample opportunity for the market to retest it thoroughly, thereby providing a more secure and informed basis for your subsequent investment decisions. Therefore, you will choose to either buy or sell only after receiving the necessary confirmation. Consequently, the market's overall behavior is expected to remain stable and act in this consistent way. Only then will you be able to make your entry for yourself successfully today. Never engage in buying or selling activities above the initial test price level until the market conditions have been thoroughly analyzed and deemed favorable for such transactions to occur. Do not reset again. If a buy is moving upwards in the market, it should zone up to the top. If it comes down, our target should remain here. Similarly, let us carefully examine another detailed example in order to fully understand and grasp the concept being presented here. Now, please take a moment to closely observe the first test case provided in this particular context. At this stage, we clearly observe the second retest accompanied by an engulfing pattern, which suggests that you can proceed to sell the market starting from this level and continuing upwards until you reach the next defined trading zone. This is how long your move is from here. You exit the market with a good proper strategy, also with a secure level. Consistently practice the skills and concepts you are being taught, because as you continue to dedicate time and effort to practicing, good opportunities and rewarding results will naturally continue to present themselves to you. For example, this is the zone where you shouldn't enter. When the market is running within the same level, set an entry weight there. Wait for its top and bottom, where you can take your entry. Now, save your settings for yourself. Music. Make sure to keep the recovery period fixed at 1 and carefully set these future levels precisely to Denejimo settings. For the values 2, 52 and below, since I have set the colors, you should also select similar colors for yourself, then do it and save your settings. Look above the MT5-4 and enjoy yourself.